think it's a good thing to play with kids even.
Yeah. We made, we made a donut out of Play-Doh.
Call it the donut game.
Okay. See, Play-Doh could be fun for us.
Is this Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking all the time it's a donut.
Tell everyone to stay home and keep your social distance.
Stay home and keep your social distance.
Right, 6 feet apart.
Oh, okay. In other words, I can talk to you, but we don't have to talk over here.
Right. Right. There's no kissing your neighbors.
Yeah, where's my boyfriends?
Ooh. I think you get a trophy for this.
Thank you.
That's how good you are.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Here we go. Woo! Ooh.
How nice this is. I almost feel like biting it.